Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Knowledgeful. Today I am going to present a video about the ministers in Kerala and the departments they handle. So let's move to the video. Chief Minister Sri Pinarayi Vijayan. He handles 27 departments. Administration of Civil and Criminal Justice, Airports, All India Services, Coastal Shipping and Inland Navigation, Distress Relief, Election, Fire and Rescue Services, General Administration, Home, Information and Public Relations, Information Technology, Integration, Interstate River Waters, Kerala State Inland Navigation Corporation, Metro Rail, Non-Resident Keralites Affairs, Personnel and Administrative Reforms, Planning and Economic Affairs, Pollution Control, Printing and Stationery, Prison, Scenic Welfare, Science, Technology and Environment, Scientific Institutes, State Hospitality, Vigilance, Welfare of Minorities. Sri K. Rajan, Land Revenue, Survey and Land Records, Housing, Land Reforms. Sri Roshi Augustine, Irrigation, Command Area Development Authority, Groundwater Department, Water Supply. Sri K. Krishnangutti, Electricity and Earth. Sri A. K. Shashindran, Forest, Wildlife Protection. Sri Ahmad Devarkovil, Ports, Museum, Archaeology, Archives. Sri Anthony Raju, Road Transport, Motor Vehicles, Water Transport. Sri V. Abdul Rahman, Sports, Waqf and Hajj Pilgrimage, Post and Telegraphs, Railways. Sri G. R. Anil, Food and Civil Supplies, Consumer Affairs, Legal Metrology. Sri K. N. Balagopal, Finance, National Savings, Stores Purchase, Commercial Taxes, Agriculture, Income Tax, Treasuries, Lotteries, State Audit, Kerala Financial Enterprises, State Insurance, Kerala Financial Corporation, Stamps and Stamp Duty. Professor R. Bindu, Collegiate Education, Technical Education, Universities except Agriculture, Veterinary, Fisheries, Medical and Digital Universities, Entrance Examination, National Cadet Corps, Additional Skill Acquisition Program, ASAP, Social Justice. Srimati J. Chinjurani, Animal Husbandry, Dairy Development, Milk Cooperatives, Zoos, Kerala Veterinary and Animal Science University. Sri M.V. Govindam Master, Local Self-Governments, Panchayats, Municipalities and Corporations, Excise, Rural Development, Town Planning, Regional Development Authorities, Kerala Institute of Local Administration. Sri P.A. Mohammad Riaz, Public Works Department, Tourism. Sri P. Prasad, Agriculture, Soil Survey and Soil Conservation, Kerala Agriculture University, Warehousing Corporation. Sri K. Radhakrishnan, Welfare of Scheduled Caste, Scheduled Tribes and Backward Classes, Devasams, Parliamentary Affairs. Sri P. Rajiv, Law, Industries including Industrial Cooperatives, Commerce, Mining and Geology, Handlooms and Textiles, Khadi and Village Industries, Coir, Cashew Industries, Plantation Directorate. Sri Saji Cherian, Fisheries, Harbour Engineering, Fisheries University, Culture, Kerala State Film Development Corporation, Kerala State Chalachitra Academy, Kerala State Cultural Activities Welfare Fund Board, Youth Affairs. V. Shivangutti, General Education, Literacy Movement, Labour, Employment and Training, Skills, Rehabilitation, Factories and Boilers, Insurance Medical Service, Industrial Tribunals, Labour Courts. V. N. Vasavan, Corporation, Registration. Srimati Veena George, Health, Family Welfare, Medical Education, Medical University, Indigenous Medicine, Ayush, Drugs Control, Women and Child Welfare. Thanks for watching my video. Please share, support and subscribe my channel. See you soon in next video. Bye.